See you probably around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you. Well, I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari. That don't mean I can't get you there. I guess he's an Xbox, well I'm more of an Atari. The way you play your game unfair. I've been through the fool, falls in love with you now. Well, but I've got some news for you. Yeah. Go on, gonna tell your little boyfriends. I see you crawling around town with the girl I love, and I'm not forget you. But I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like forget you and forget them too. Well, I would bet ya I still be with you. Well, ain't that so? And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. But I forget you. Now Kelly Louie's only why you wanna hurt me so bad, so bad, so bad, so bad. But I tried to tell my mama, but she told me this is one for your dad. Yeah, she did. But I was like, why, lady? I love you, I still love you, yeah. See you coming down town, the girl I love, and I'm not forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, but I'm not forget you and forget them too. Say if I was richer, I'd still be with you. But ain't that so? And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. But I forget you.
Hey, well done, Ryan. Well done, man.
Cal, what did you think?
Oh, I thought that was brilliant. That had so much personality in it, so much personality, it was just great. And I love the fact that the performance sort of didn't deter from the vocal. In fact, if anything, I felt that it pushed the vocal even more, because we just got to see what you can do. You had like a lovely little riff in there, which I want to hear more of, because I thought that was lovely. And I loved the way that you used your falsetto as well. You just maintained your vocal throughout that performance, and you just brought everything. I thought that was an absolutely amazing performance. Well done.
Thank you. Louise?
Yeah, Ryan, what a performance. That is exactly how you do Upbeat Week. You came out here, you were a cheeky chappy, you loosened up, you put my name in a song, I loved it. The interaction you had with us, with the audience, everyone was absolutely fab. And honestly, I think you're one of the people that will benefit most from this week. Because don't get me wrong, I don't think you're going to come out every week and do a song like this and be cheeky on stage. But it's going to do you so well in terms of you getting over that now. You've got over that interaction bit of it. So when you come out and sing a ballad or something slower, you will be able to understand how to give across that interaction, like through your eyes, through your body, in an appropriate way. So I think hats off to you. You've done it fabulously this week. Well done, darling.
Thank you.
Ryan, yeah, for you personally, this is not something you would come out publicly and do. And like, we've seen you sing some really deep, meaningful songs so far, which we've all been amazed by, you know, the way you control your voice and things like that. In terms of like your presentation, that's something I've pointed out before, and like to be more relaxed, and that one week where we said about loosening up you a bit more. This is the sort of challenge that will help you with that from here on out. Like Louise just picked up, it will help you feel more relaxed and whatever, so you know. In terms of what you've done tonight, not just vocally did you sound fantastic. I like the little idea of chucking everyone's names into, which made it more like suited to the up-tempo week. But in terms of your presentation, your performance, everything was there. Again, like she just said, that is exactly how you do up-tempo week. You ticked all the boxes then. I wanna point something out for you, because And like obviously, like we all work with different agents from Wales and that. But this week, the girls don't know this either. But this week, I was speaking to one of the agents in particular, and they've seen your videos, and they said, "Is he ready to gig? Is he ready to gig? We'll work him." So literally, you were doing justice with what you were putting up online, because even an agency have come forward and said they can't wait to work you, basically. So keep doing what you're doing, back to you on the right road. Well done.
Thank you. Round of applause, guys.